Good afternoon. Today is April 3rd, 2024, and this is the Town of Barnstable Procurement Office public bid opening. We have two projects today that will be opening. My name is Kathleen Gerard. I am the purchasing agent. We are recording this bid opening and we will post it on the town's website afterwards. So we do ask everyone to keep their microphones muted for the duration, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us afterwards. I'm going to share my screen so that we can look at our procurement portal. Give me 1 second here. And that way we can open these together. And hopefully you can see our screen, my screen here. And I'm just going to move this out of the way so I can open the documents. As you can see, we have a lot of projects going on, so please check back here often if you're interested in working with the town of Barnstable. The two projects we are opening today are the FY24 Barnstable High School chiller replacement, the general contractor bids. And we're also opening the FY24 Barnstable High School LED lighting upgrades project. So I'm going to start with the LED lighting project right here. And we just, looks like we have one submission. And I'm just going to hit refresh in case there was a last minute one. No. Okay, so it looks like we have one submission from Systems Contracting Inc. We received it today at 11:22 a.m. And you can see the documents are unavailable because they remain sealed until we open them publicly. So I'm going to go to that information so we can unseal them. And I think I have to move this away. There we go. And here you can see I have to unseal the documents before we have access to them. And as I unseal each document, you'll see that it says who unsealed them and the time and date that they were unsealed. So we know that it was after 12 o'clock today. And see it started at 12:03. And I just got to go through each one of these. And we've got the last one here. You can see they're all unsealed today afternoon. And once this, there we go. Now we can go back to the submissions and the documents will be available to us to view. And you can see they're open. So we'll start with the form for general bid. And again, this is the FY24 Barnstable High School LED lighting upgrades project. The submission is from Rise Group Incorporated. Addendum 1 is acknowledged, and the proposed contract price is $1,295,000. That is 1,295,000.0000. There are no alternates, and it is signed. We'll take a look at the combined certificate of compliance. and is included and signed. So the GTM certification for electrical, I believe it said. Is included. And the 5% bid bond. Is here as well. This bid will be under review, so, it looks like it's the only bidder, so that is a parent low bidder. We will post the bid tabulation or the bid information, and award information once, it's been reviewed. So that concludes the Barnstable High School LED lighting upgrades project. And now we'll go to the second project that we're opening. And that is the Barnstable chiller upgrades, I believe. And just give me a second. Oh, hi, Amber.
Hi. Thank you, Kathleen.
I'm just looking for the chiller one, which I know is here, but with all these projects, it's hard to find.
I know we have so many.
And I just saw it in here, so I don't know where it went to.
So all the way at the bottom, Barnstable.
There it is. Thank you.
Thank
Did you
you.
want to take care of it, or do you want me to keep going?
If you can keep going, thank you.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna do the same thing for the FY24 Barnstable High School chiller replacement. This is the general contractor bids. Looks like we have 4 submissions for this project. And I'm just waiting for the computer to catch up with us. Here we go. So we have 4 submissions, one from DDS Industries, Inc. We received it today at 11:53 a.m. Another from Enterprise Equipment Company, Inc. Also received today at 11:36 a.m. One from Performance Plumbing and Heating, received today at 11:48 a.m. And Premier Mechanical LLC received at 11:03 a.m. And again, you can see the documents are unavailable because we need to unseal them first before we can take a look. So that's what we'll do. And we'll unseal the documents. Again, you'll see the timestamp of the day and time and who unsealed them. And there, the first one was unsealed at 12:09. And now that they're all unsealed, we're gonna go take a look at those. So we're just starting with DDS Industries because they're on the top. I'll look at their form for general bid. Looks like they acknowledge addendums 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the proposed contract price is $377,999. That's 377, 999.00. And the subdivision of bid for item 1 is $327,949. And item 2,
So the sub bid for this one, they have for the electrical sub bid systems contracting.
so should I read that 50,000 and 50,000?
Nope. So we already have those results from the filed sub bid opening. So we just have to read item 2 on the general bid form.
Oh, so just read the 327,949?
Nope. Just the electrical systems contracting Inc.
Okay.
Sorry, Kathleen.
That's okay.
Just so everyone on the bid opening knows, I was supposed to do the opening and then very last minute, Kathleen jumped on. So thank you very much, Kathleen.
Yeah, and Amber is the chief procurement officer, in case I didn't mention that. So the systems the electrical is $50,058. And this is signed. We'll take a look at the combined certificate of compliance. It is included and signed. The 5% bid bond is included. And the DCAM certificate of eligibility is here for HVAC. And that's all we need for this one. So we'll take a look at the next bidder. And it is Enterprise Equipment Company, Inc. And we'll do the same thing. We'll look at their form for general bid. Enterprise Equipment Company, Inc. And the addendums 1 through 4 are acknowledged. The total proposed contract price is $360,530. That's 360, 530.00. And the electrical item 2, $50,050. They're signed, and then the combined certificate of compliance is included and signed. The 5% bid bond is here. And the DCAM certificate of eligibility for HVAC, mechanical and general is included. Okay, performance plumbing and heating. Again, the performance plumbing and heating, and the addendums 1, 2, 3, and 4 are acknowledged. The proposed contract price is $424,800. That is 424, 800.00. No alternates. Item 1, 374,750. And the electrical subtrades is here. The combined certificate of compliance is attached and signed. The 5% bid bond is included. And the DCAM certificate of eligibility is attached for HVAC and plumbing. And we've got, I think, one more. From Premier Mechanical LLC. In the form for general bid. Addendums 1 through 4 are acknowledged. The proposed contract price is $331,500. That's 331, 500.00. The item 1 is a $331,500, and the electrical is included. The combined certificate of compliance is included and signed. 5% bid bond is included and signed. And the DCAM certificate of eligibility for HVAC is included. All these bids are under review. It looks like the apparent low bidder is Premier Mechanical. We will post the bid tabulations, which will also be emailed out to all plan holders once they are available. If anyone has any questions, they can contact the procurement office. Otherwise, both these bids are under review, and we'll post the results on our website and send them out. Amber, am I forgetting anything that you want to add?
Nope, just if Premier Mechanical LLC can submit their MBE WBE paperwork, that is due within 5 days of the bid opening. Excellent job, Kathleen. Thank you so much.
Great. Well, thank you. And that concludes our bid opening for today. Thank you for your interest.